Hi everyone, I'm Chef Patty and welcome to our AvMed Health cooking demo. And today I'm using the air fryer. I have to admit, I caved. I'm going to cook some cauliflower steaks in the air fryer. It's gonna take 12 minutes. And as much as I love roasting veggies in the oven, I have to love my air fryer, especially for this. So let's get started really quick. All you want to do is, so I've got a whole head of cauliflower. We're going to trim the tough stem. And then now you want to cut. The ends usually break up, but still, even though I want to leave some whole pieces because I want to show you how to make a cauli steak, I definitely use these smaller pieces as well. So don't get rid of them. So you want to cut thick pieces of cauli, just like this, and then when you roast it, you have a beautiful cauliflower steak that it's a great replacement for like any kind of protein. And by using your air fryer, you don't have to cook all your cauliflower. So if you have anyone in your family that doesn't like this vegetable, guess what? Just make a piece for yourself, which is great. Like in my house, I'm the only one that likes cauli. So whenever I crave it, now I know that I can just pop it in the air fryer and that's it. So you want to start off by using maybe a smaller knife and kind of like trim the leaves off of the cauliflower. Just like this. Just clean it up a little bit, that's all. You don't have to get rid of too much. And then we're gonna make a little like infused oil to add some flavor to it. So I have my smaller pieces and my bigger pieces right here. This is trash. Little olive oil. Maybe about a quarter cup, not a lot. So I've got olive oil, a little cumin. So I wanna add, I'm always thinking of ways of adding flavor to whatever it is that I'm cooking, right? So we're building flavor. We've got the olive oil, we've got the cumin, a little dried oregano leaves, and a little paprika. And remember, paprika is not necessarily spicy, it's gonna add smokiness, just like the cumin. The cumin's gonna add some smokiness to it as well. A little salt, if your diet allows it, and some black pepper. Simple. You should have most of these ingredients in your pantry. Now I'm gonna give it a little stir, just like this. Grab a brush, and I'm just gonna brush it directly on the cauliflower. And you can do the same thing with broccoli if you want to, but I love the air fryer cauliflower. I'm completely addicted now. I think this is like the 10th time I've made it in 2 weeks. I have a problem. All right. So, my air fryer is an attachment to my Instant Pot. So, it's not very large to begin with, but whichever type of air fryer you have, you want to spray it a little bit in the bottom with some spray. Now, you know what? Let me go ahead and brush both sides. I didn't do that. Flavor, flavor, flavor. And I'm not gonna be able to fit all of it right now in my basket, so I'm gonna do 2 steaks, 2 pieces of cauliflower. I took the 2 larger ones. Can you see? So in there, it's going in my air fryer 12 minutes. And then you can flip it halfway if you want, but trust me, it is amazing. Now I'm gonna clean this up real quick, and I am going to show you a little quick sauce, because remember, I always want to add extra flavor and keeping it healthy at the same time, right? So, yogurt, little spoon. I have some Greek yogurt, maybe about a half a cup, depending on how much sauce you think you want to top it. So anywhere between a quarter cup and a half a cup is a good amount. It's not a lot, it's just a little bit. So to our yogurt, I have some chopped garlic, some chopped fresh dill, and if you don't have dill or you don't like dill and you want to use mint or basil or just parsley, cilantro, your herb of choice. So we've got the dill, we've got the garlic. I want to add a little olive oil, not a lot, maybe a teaspoon, a little salt, and a little black pepper. So it's kind of like the same ingredients that we use to marinate the cauliflower. So here, can you see? So we just have the yogurt. I'm gonna add some fresh lime juice just to loosen it up. And you can use lemon juice if you want. So much flavor. Okay, all right, so here is a cauli that I just cooked in the air fryer right before going live with you guys. So do you see how beautiful and golden and charred around the edges? This is exactly what you want. So now I am going to top my cauliflower steak with my yogurt sauce. And, because you know, I have to be extra, I have chopped fresh parsley, a little green onion if you want, and the final thing I want to add to this is some pine nuts. And here we have it, guys. Cauliflower steak with a yogurt sauce, and then I topped it with fresh green onions, fresh parsley, a little toasted pine nuts. I wish I could get closer. And it is wonderful. 12 minutes in the air fryer. Everyone's gonna love it. I hope you make it. And remember, any questions, any recommendations, something that you want to learn how to make, send us a message. AvMed Health, we're everywhere. Facebook, Instagram, send us a message. We want to hear from you. Mwah. See you soon.